Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Flinks connects financial accounts securely. Flinks is a financial data platform that enables the secure, consent-based sharing of financial data. When you use an app or service powered by Flinks, the connection process is built with security as a priority. First, your control is paramount. Flinks only connects to your financial account with your explicit permission. Nothing happens without your consent, and you control with whom your information is shared. To establish the secure link, Flinks uses a process that involves encryption and secure protocols. When you enter your online banking credentials through the Flinks Connect interface, they are not stored by Flinks in a way that allows them to be viewed by humans. The credentials you provide are used to access your financial data, but Flinks technology immediately encrypts and secures this sensitive information. Communication between Flinks and the financial institution is protected using advanced encryption, typically HTTPS 256-bit encryption. The sensitive financial data Flinks retrieves is also encrypted at rest, meaning when it's stored on Flinks' highly secured servers. They follow industry-leading security practices and compliance standards, such as being SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, which is a gold standard for companies handling customer data. Flinks acts as a secure intermediary. They do not share your bank login credentials with the third-party app or service you are trying to use. Instead, they securely transfer the financial data requested by that service, like transaction history or account balances, after encrypting it and transforming it into useful insights. This focus on layered security, including encryption in transit and at rest, strong access controls, and regular external security audits, ensures that when you link your financial account via Flinks, your data is protected every step of the way, keeping your information private and secure. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.